call it as electric dipole. Electric dipole. This topic is very important. Electric dipole. Okay. What do you mean by an electric dipole? Dipole. The name itself says about two, right? Yes. As the same. Electric dipole means you can consider two charges. Two charges means one will be a positive charge, another will be a negative charge, another will be a negative charge. These two charges will be separated by a very small distance. Let's consider the distance between these two charges. Consider it as 2a. 2a is the distance. 2a is the distance means from the center up to here it will be a, and from here a, that means 2a. Okay, likes. Then what do you mean by electric dipole? Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charge means if this is plus q, this must be minus q, right? If this is plus q, this must be minus q. That means what do you mean by electric dipole? Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. We call it as electric dipole. Okay, let's consider another example. There is a 1 coulomb charge. Coulomb is the unit of charge. 1 coulomb charge. 1 coulomb charge. If we need a dipole, what we must need? Minus 1 coulomb must be there. If you are having minus 2 coulomb, is it a dipole? No. The condition is, if it has to be an electric dipole, the condition must be two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. That means magnitude must be same. If 1 coulomb is plus 1 coulomb is there, then minus 1 coulomb must be there. If plus 3 coulomb is there, minus 3 coulomb must be there. If plus 5 coulomb is there, you have to put minus 5 coulomb here. Then only the magnitude becomes same. Direction will be opposite. Okay. Then you can write the definition. What do you mean by electric dipole? Electric dipole means, yes, two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges separated by very small distance. Very small distance, you can consider it as an electric dipole. This is an example for an electric dipole. Okay. For every dipole, there will be a dipole moment. There will be a dipole moment. Dipole moment means the electric field intensity or electric field strength of the dipole. Electric field intensity or electric field strength of the dipole, we call it as electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. What do you mean by electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment itself says about the strength of the dipole. Strength of the dipole. We represent it by a letter P. We represent it by a letter P. Right? Yes. If you want to find the dipole moment, you can find it by taking the product of distance between the charges and magnitude of any one of the charge. Okay. If you want to find the electric dipole moment, what you have to do? You have to take the product of the distance between the charges. Here consider this dipole. If you want to take the dipole moment of this dipole, what you have to do? You have to take the distance, product of distance. Here distance is 2a, and yes, magnitude of any one of the charge. Magnitude is q. That means 2aq. That means 2aq gives you the dipole moment. Don't think that you have to multiply 2 times the distance. Here 2a itself is the distance. 2a itself is this is our distance. This is our magnitude. Okay, you got it? Then what do you mean by dipole? Electric dipole, it is the two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. We call it as electric dipole. What is electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment itself says about the strength of the dipole. Strength of the electric field strength of the dipole. Okay. If you want to find the dipole moment, you have to take the product of the distance and magnitude of the charges. Okay. What will be the unit of this dipole moment? Yes, this is distance meter. This is charge coulomb. That means coulomb meter. Coulomb meter is the coulomb meter. Don't think like centimeter. It will be coulomb meter. Okay, coulomb meter is the unit of dipole moment. Unit of dipole. You have to memorize the unit also. What was the unit of electric field? Yes, it was Newton per coulomb. What was the unit of charge? It was coulomb. What was the unit of dipole moment? It is coulomb meter. Okay, you got it? Okay. Next we consider charge distribution in system of charges. We are having 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. n number of charges. What you have to do? If you are having n number of charges, if you are having system of charges, we can uniformly distribute these charges. You can uniformly distribute these charges. You can distribute these charges like you can distribute in linear form. You can distribute in linear form. Linear form means these charges will be like this. Like this you can put. For example, if you are considering a small wire, charges you can distribute like this, right? I'm considering a very small thin wire. Charges are distributed in a line. That means linear charge distribution. Here the charges are distributed in a line, straight line, right? That means here you can consider as lambda. Lambda means the linear charge distribution. We can write this lambda. Yes, lambda is equal to charge per length. Charge per length. This is the length. This is the length L. That means linear charge distribution is charge per length. You can write as lambda. Lambda is equal to Q by L. That means charges you can distribute the charges along length. You can distribute the charges along area. You can distribute the charges along volume. Right? If you are considering linear charge distribution, here charges are distributed along length. Next we are going to distribute the charges along area. That means if you are considering a sheet, here you can distribute the charges, positive or negative charges, whatever may be the charges. You can distribute these charges along the throughout this area. So what will be that? Yes, you can write like sigma. Sigma is equal to charge per area. Charge per area. What was this? Lambda equal to Q by L represents the linear charge distribution. This is area charge distribution. You can write as sigma. Right? Next we move on to the volume charge distribution. Okay? Volume charge distribution. Here we are consider a cubicle, a volume. Okay? Here charges can be distributed. Here the charges can be distributed along this volume. Along this volume, charges can be distributed. Right? That means you can write as rho. That is charge per volume. Charge per volume. These are the three different ways of distributing charges. Okay? We have entered into the section of electric field, and we are studying electric field due to a point. We already studied electric field due to a point charge. What was the equation for electric field due to a point charge? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square times r cap. Right? Then we move on to the electric dipole. What was electric dipole? It was two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. What was electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment means the strength of the electric dipole. Strength of the dipole, electric dipole, right? In order to find the electric dipole, we are using an equation 2aq. What was 2a? 2a is the distance between the dipoles. Q is the magnitude of the charge, right? Then we move on to the distribution of charges. We can distribute charges in linear form. That means linear charge distribution. Charges are distributed along length. Charges can be distributed along area. Charges can be distributed along volume. If it is distributed along linear lengthwise, that means we can write it as lambda is equal to charge per length. If you are placing it in an area, you can write as sigma. Sigma is equal to, sigma means area charge, surface charge distribution. We can write it as like surface charge distribution. This is surface charge distribution. Surface charge distribution. This was linear charge distribution. This was volume charge distribution. Volume charge distribution. Okay, these are the three different charge distributions. Okay, got the point? Next we are going to find the electric field due to a dipole.